Hey there, this is Matt Petrowski for ISO FileMaker Magazine. We are taking a look at getting Claude desktop app connected to AgenticFM and basically being able to use what I call an external agent. Now, there are two ways that you can interact with your FileMaker solution using agents. I currently already have a button that I've wired up. I've got this covered in the Getting Started video. You can take a look at that. We bring up the chat window. What I have here is the internal agent, and the internal agent, I can specify if I want to use Claude right here because I have the Claude code, the command line app installed, which is what's required by the plugin. But you don't have to if you don't want to. And in fact, when you install the Claude desktop app, many times there is a Claude binary or the Claude code that is installed such that when you make a selection here in the AgenticFM, something does actually come up to select Claude. But if that's not the case, and let me turn off the remote access right now. I'll just go to my network here, turn off the remote access, and we will restart that server so that we get a, where's my network right there, restart the server, boom. All right, so now we're on a random port. This is what will happen. This is the default state when FileMaker, when the AgenticFM plugin is initially installed. It only works on localhost. It's not set up for remote agents. If you're interested in the whole remote agents thing, I've got another video. It's listed down in the description below, and you can take a look at that. It's crazy stuff, where another FileMaker developer could control you and do stuff in your FileMaker, paired FileMaker programming, or you can control other machines with other copies of FileMaker with client projects loaded. It's pretty cool. But here I have Claude, and I simply just want to get connected. First thing, you're going to want to select code, and once you have selected code, this should be as simple as this. You've showed the chat window in FileMaker with the AgenticFM plugin installed, and you click this button right here, Copy Agent Instructions. And that's pretty much all you should need right here. You should be able to go over to the Claude application, and provided you're selected on code, you simply paste that in. And then I like to add a little bit something. Tell me everything you can do in FileMaker. Right there. And if I hit return and send that off, you're going to go. What? Oh, Claude wants, I've done this before. This is a brand new install of Claude. It wants a folder for where it's going to work with this project. Everything is pretty much project specific. Within Matt, let's see, I'll go to my desktop. Let's go to my desktop really quickly here, and also date modified. And I'll create a new folder, and I'll we'll just call this sample project. This one works a little bit different than Codex. Codex, you can just connect right off of the bat, but we'll create this sample project, and we'll click OK. So now I'm going to trust this workspace. So what this is if you've watched my other videos, these tools are working in what's known as a sandboxed environment. They create a fully virtualized machine here on your computer. That works with the Codex app, that works with this Claude desktop app. So what happens is the Claude tool is on my computer, but it's only going to be able to work within a particular folder in this particular case. So once I've got that folder set up, where is the folder even listed? I don't know. I added it, and it's showing right here. I'd be able to add another folder, but I'm on my local computer. That folder is what it's able to work with. You have to have a folder, I guess, in this. But I click, and then it's going to want access to my desktop, so forth. But it should be able to see this. We're going to see right here that it's going to use curl in order to query that. I don't have this continuous requesting of thing. But what it should do is come up with a list of all the things that it can do because it can see the plugin, and the plugin is running service. So here you can see right off the bat, that's all it took, was install the AgenticFM plugin, click the copy agent instructions, give that to your agent, and you're connected. That's it. There's no MCP server to install. There's nothing. It is just a copy the instructions and then look at all the things you're going to be able to do. And if you watch the rest of the videos in this series about AgenticFM, since this is spitting out so many things about what it can do, There is all kinds of stuff. I'm really proud of the plugin, and there's two features in particular. If you watch any videos, watch the video on solution intelligence, and then also watch the video about the preview feature. Those two features alone allow you to pretty much do and visualize anything you could ever want to see or know about a FileMaker solution, your FileMaker solution. Because once they are processed and accessible to an agent, you are now empowered to improve, enhance, fix, understand, do anything that you can do with agents. And this is just how easy it is to actually get connected with the Claude desktop app. Again, just make sure you're on code. Once that's installed and AgenticFM is installed and you copy the agent instructions and pass it, then here's what you can do. The clipboard, it can read, write, history, patch, inspect, suspend, and resume. Script writing, create, insert, delete, navigate, select, go to, save. Calculations, it can evaluate, it can run SQL, it can do any of the things that you see in all of the rest of Agentic coding. You can do directly within FileMaker with the internal agent or with your external agent, and that's how easy it is to set it up.